Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you this massive pile of earbuds, and I also have one set of headphones, all from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna see which one sounds the best. This is gonna be the first video on a headphone earbud extravaganza where I went to multiple places and picked up the cheapest headphones that they sold, and at Dollar Tree I managed to just about pick up every headphone that they had that I could find on the shelf. I'll show you a picture of that right now. And I also hit up Dollarama, so that'll be an upcoming video, and a couple other places. And these are not the cheapest headphones I found, but I'm going to leave that for another video, so stay tuned for that to find out how much and where the cheapest headphones, are actually earbuds, I found were. Okay, so most of these are all from eCircuit. The headphones are from eCircuit as well, and we have two mystery boxes. They don't really have a brand on them that I can see. I guess nobody wants you to know who actually manufactured them. Maybe they're that crappy. Everything that you see here was bought for $1.25 Canadian at Dollar Tree. So I have this set here, which actually has a microphone, and that's the only one that states that it has a microphone. And then I have this one here that states that it has a volume control. So I think I'm going to leave these two for last. They're the only ones that I can see out of the package that actually have a TRRS jack. The rest appear to be just TRS jacks. So let's get into the first one. So in this video we're going to be testing out 7 different sets of earbuds and 1 set of headphones. And to start off with, we're going to start with this mystery box. And on the back of the box just has some normal stuff like speaker diameter is 10 millimeters, sensitivity is 90 decibels, 32 ohm, power capability is 60 milliwatts, frequency range from 20 to 20,000 hertz, 3.5 millimeter plug, and a 48-inch cord. You'll see the box. So it's stuck in there pretty good. First impressions are like they're worth $1.25. Fairly long cord. Very chintzy plastic, but I didn't expect anything less. Cord is very soft. Alright, let's plug them in. No indication of left or right, so I'm guessing that doesn't matter. Here we go. Okay, so my first impressions are that they, like you're in a hall. They're very muffled. They're not very good at all. Okay, my impressions on these are not very good. They play music for $1.25. That's probably amazing. Very muddy. I think the back of the box is an absolute lie when they say they play 20,000 hertz. I don't think there is anything near that high of range. But they actually have a little bit of bass, but they sound horrible. Let's go to the next set. Okay, the next set's going to be a pair from eCircuit. Pretty much the same kind of specs on here. They are 10 millimeter, 90 decibels, 32 ohm. Frequency range is 20 to 20,000 hertz, and they're stereo. Okay. These ones don't feel quite as chintzy. Little longer cable, and it's a little bit heavier. Same thing, I guess we got to adjust them to our size that we need. Let's give these a whirl. Once again, no left or right indication. Okay, my opinion of these are they definitely play at a little higher frequency, and they're still very muddy, and they have less bass. I would put these just a little bit ahead of the last ones, and they still sound like garbage. Okay, the next pair I'm going to test is going to be these ones right here. They are a no-name brand. Let's see what they're all about here. Pretty much no specifications on the box. It's got a nice tube. It's actually probably the most well-packaged one. Got a little carabiner on the top there. These ones feel the best so far. Don't feel real cheap. Cord feels okay. No indication of left or right. Let's give them a shot. Okay, so my opinion on these. First thing I noticed is the 3.5mm jack is very finicky. It doesn't go all the way in for some reason. Not sure what's going on there. So I had a problem with left and right picking up. It was the right channel was good, and the left side was kind of cutting in and out, and then finally just totally cut out. And yeah, was not a very good experience. They're fairly loud, fairly muddy, and fairly garbage all around. Let's get rid of those and on to the next one. Okay, here's another set from eCircuit. They're in a little bit of a package. Good for smartphone, tablet, and computers. That's about it. 3.5mm jack, 48-inch cord, 4 extra earbud covers. That's the first that I've seen that yet. Got the 4 extra covers. You can see the glue coming out of earbud. High quality there. Cord feels alright. Nice long cord. Same thing. No indication of left or right. I don't even know if I should stick these in my ears. Let's give them a shot. Okay. My impression of these are kind of the same old here. Tunnel sounding. The 3.5mm jack actually worked. Wasn't staticky at all. Very muddy and not very good on the high end. And those ones are out of here. Let's try another pair. Okay, the next pair is another eCircuit, but these ones actually have little clips on them, so they clip around the top of your ears to help hold them on. The back of the box is the same old thing. 10mm, 90 decibels, 32 ohm. I'm thinking these are gonna sound the exact same way as everything else, but they have a cool little clip on the top to keep them in your ears while you're jogging around. Actually, don't feel terrible. Cord feels good. Long cord again. Yeah, pull these apart. No indication of left or right, but pretty sure they have to go on like this. Okay, let's make my ears bleed one more time. Okay, my impressions on these are they had a little less on the low end, a little more on the high end, still muddy all over. Vocals were a little bit cleaner, but still not very good. Probably the best ones that I heard so far. I'm just gonna put them to the side. And that is another pair of E-Circuit, but this one actually has the volume control on it. We'll see if that works, see if these sound any better. Same frequency range and everything on the back. A little bit of tape to hold them in. Kind of a nice chrome on the outside. Cord is thin on these. Same length. These ones are actually apart already. No left or right. No left or right, and it does feel better one way than the other, so it would be nice to know right off the bat which way it should go. Fell out of my ear already. Fell out of my ear again. The volume control works good. Shows up on the phone. Okay. Besides it falling out of my ear, which might be, maybe we can correct that with some of the other covers that it come with in some of the other packages. The volume works good, but I gotta say these ones look the best so far, and I think they sound the best so far, but still not that great. But what do you expect for $1.25? I'm probably gonna bump these ones to best so far. Okay, so the next set we have is another E-Circuit. Exact same rating on the back of the box. But this one does have a microphone. And I don't know if it has a volume control on this one or not. There we go. Still not bad. A little chrome on the back here. Cord feels alright. Not too light. Okay. Looks like it has a button you push, probably to record. no volume. So these ones fit. Let's give her a try. Okay. With these ones, I had the same kind of problems with the audio jack, even though it's a TRRS jack. It was staticky, moved it a little bit, they cut out, cut back in, not very good. The sound quality was not the worst, but possibly, maybe, the second worst. Not even gonna try the microphone. I don't think it's worth it. I'm pretty sure I know how that sounds. And the way that the headphone sounds, yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it. All right, the next one is the headphones. Now, I'm hoping that this might be a little bit better. Maybe not. 90 decibels, 32 ohm. Power capability is 180 milliwatts. Frequency range is 20 to 20,000 hertz again. 3.5 millimeter plug, and they are stereo with a cord length of 48 inches. Compatible with most audio devices. Okay, let's try it. They feel pretty funny. Gotta stretch out the cord there again. Cable feels not bad. Hey, we actually have it marked L and R. Somewhat of an adjustable band, very tight, but it is adjustable. Let's give these a whirl. Okay, my thoughts on these. Well, we have somewhat redemption. These made the music sound as it should have. The vocals were clear. They weren't very bassy. They had highs. They weren't too bright. They actually sounded pretty good. But, a big but, huge but, they only play 1/4 of the volume that they actually should. Very, very, very quiet. But, they sound the best so far. I think we're gonna have to have a tie. We're gonna put these to the side. And yeah, these are what I'm gonna be testing with the Dollarama headphones, with these ones, with the volume control. But don't get me wrong, these sound like garbage still. Okay, so I went and got a different set of caps and I put them on these headphones, and now they somewhat seem to stay in my ear. These will be the headphones, earbuds that progress to the next round of my earbud headphone extravaganza. So now what did we learn today, kids, from this whole experience? Don't buy Dollarama headphones. Just don't. They're garbage. Hopefully Dollarama stuff ends up being better. And we'll find that out on the next video. And as of for now, you can probably watch this video on a very cheap Dollarama wireless charger that actually worked. Surprised the heck out of me. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.